Hey, what's up, everybody? Check this out. So they gave me the keys to the Hoonigan's merchandise van. I'm gonna take this for a little spin. I'm just kidding. They just let us in the barnyard or the donut garage to hang out. So cool van though. Check out the shifter, dude. I love it. They just finished it. They LS swapped it. They'll be selling merch out of it. You can see here, this is the little window that'll open. You've probably already seen some videos on this thing, but this thing freaking shreds. Got the Holley EF5 set up, the sidewinder shifter, nice new seat with some new brackets. Pretty badass. And you look inside, you can see all the goods. There's the LS in there.